Do you love money? Want to make a lot of it the lazy way? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you an amazing trick that I found with which you can actually make between $10 to $50, depending entirely on your work and consistency. For this trick, you don't need any prior experience. It might look like you need to be professionally equipped with software and certificates of courses, but that's not the case, and trust me, money making has never been easier than this. Hey, welcome back. I am Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you the way to become a freelancer and charge your own rates on the work that is so easy to do that it might take a minute or two if you know what you are doing, and you can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 for that 2 minutes of your time. And again, you won't need any professional software or prior experience in this matter. All you need is a PC and an active internet connection, and you can make easy money anywhere in the world. So let's get right into it. The first thing you have to do is to go over to peopleperhour.com. This is a freelancing website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. Here are the categories, which are the services they provide. Services include content writing, SEO, website development, logo designing, and many more. If you work as a freelancer on this website, you will get work very easily, and I will tell you which category will be the one for us in just a minute. You can also see here the expert freelancers. These are the top-rated freelancers here. They are charging anywhere from £20 to upwards of £70 per hour. And this website is trusted by BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, and many more. Now comes the category in which it would be the easiest to make money. That is logo designing. We would be designing a logo for companies. As you can see here in the logo design section of this website, people are charging anywhere from £15 to upwards of £100. And you will be the one making and selling logos to the businesses who require logos. But Stacy, I am not a professional designer and don't even have Photoshop or any other software to make the logo. Don't worry, Money Crushers, your Stacy is right here. But before I tell you the secret way, make sure to hit the like button, because you already know it doesn't cost you anything, and you can unsubscribe anytime you like. So all you need is to go over to the website called freelogodesign.org. Here you can select any pre-made template for free and edit it as you please, and then sell it on the People Per Hour website. This website is also very user-friendly and takes no time to make a logo. And these logos actually come out looking super professional. I will show you by making a logo for myself. And it will help you to understand the basics of this website, freely available to all. But people are unaware of this fact, and rich people have no time to waste, so they just pay people huge amounts just for this 1 to 2 minutes of a task. And as you can see, my logo is created. Now I can save it and send it over to anyone who needs it. Now, all you need to do is make an account on peopleperhour.com and start making and selling logos created by you. Sorry, the free website. But let's keep it our little secret. No one has to know. And that's it. Hope you learned something today and will make a lot using this method. Thanks for watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. This is Stacy signing out.